Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pranjal, and I would request you guys, if you guys are new here, just go to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel, like my videos if you just find my videos relevant and quite informative for you. So guys, today I'm going to cover up some of the phrasal verbs which are related to your clothing stuffs and your some of the accessories. Okay, so whenever you just go to the market or go to the mall to purchase your clothing stuffs or your accessories, you can just use these phrasal verbs over there. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you that how can you use these phrasal verbs in that different conditions, right? So let's get started without wasting further time. So the first phrasal verb is like take off, as you can see. So take off, like it's a very common phrasal verb that you often use in your daily basis conversation, right? So take off is like to remove something, right? Let's give an example to make it quite easier. So take off your jacket, it is hot here. So you are just indicating someone that you can just take off your jacket because it is hot here, right? Let's give another example. You can just take off your slippers out there before entering into the room. Okay, so this is the way that you can use this particular phrasal verb, and this is quite familiar, right? You can use daily basis conversation as well most of the time. Now the second is like try on. Try on means the clothes and shoes. So this particular phrasal verb is, related to your clothing and your shoes. So whenever you just go to the mall or market to purchase your clothes or some accessories, what do you do first? You first try on those things, right? You do not put your money first. You do not purchase those things first. First you try on those things, then you purchase, right? So yeah, in that scenario you can use try on, right? So let's take an example. This shirt looks better. You can just try on this shirt once, right? So this is the way that you can use it, right? Now let's take another example, like these pair of shoes looks really cheaper. You can just purchase it, first you can just try on and you can just purchase it. So this is the way that you can use it, right? Now the third one is just go with. When we use go with this particular phrasal verb, when we check whether two things are similar or not, right, then we can use this particular phrasal verb go with, right? Suppose let's take an example. This tie will definitely go with your suit. Okay, so this is the way that you can use. This tie will definitely go with your shoes, or these pair of shoes will definitely go with your trouser. Okay, so this is the way that you can use it, right? And now the next is pick out. What does it mean that pick out? Pick out means that, take time to choose things. Okay, so the people who take time to choose their things, like whether it is a clothing or related to your extra accessories, you can use pick out. Like your friend, whenever you just go to the market or mall with your friend, he takes a lot of time to pick his things or his clothing or something else, right? Just because of, you can say that he's quite conscious in terms of clothing or something. That's why he takes a lot of time, pick out a lot of time, right, to take to choose their clothes or something else. Now do up, to close and button up. It's a quite normal phrasal verb, and you can use in your daily basis conversation as well. Do up, to close and button up. Okay, so you can just button up or you can just do up your jacket because it is going to be cold here. Okay, so you are just indicating someone, or you are just going to want someone that you can just button up or do up your jacket because it is going to be cold here and you will get cold. Okay, if you do not do this thing, if you do not follow this thing, right? So to close your shirt or to button up your shirt, you can use these phrasal verb as well, but you can also say do up your shirts or do up your jackets. Okay, now put on to wear clothes and shoes. It is also quite familiar phrasal verb that you use often in your daily basis conversation. Put on your shoes, put on your shirt. So you can, let's give an example. You can say that we are just going to the market, right? So you can just get ready. You can just put on your shirts, right? You can put on your shirt and we are just ready to go. So this is the way that you can use this particular phrasal verb, right? And this is all about for today, guys. I'm going to sign off for the today. And these are the phrasal verbs that you can just look over once, and you can just use it in your daily basis conversation, and you can just make your conversation quite, attractive and quite easier for you, right? So this is the way that you can use these phrasal verbs in different scenarios. So for today, thank you so much for guys connecting with me. Have a good day ahead. Yeah guys, so the next phrasal verb is kick off. So what does this means that kick off? So you can use this particular phrasal verb to remove your shoes. Okay, so remove your footwears when you are just in a hurry and you just want to remove your shoes or remove your slippers. In that situation you can use kick off, right? So I would tell you that this particular phrasal verb is used only to removing your shoes or footwears. Okay, you cannot just use this phrasal verb in any other activities, right? So I used to do this thing often in my childhood. When I was in my childhood, and I used to come from school, so I just used to kick off my shoes and get into the my house or room. So I often just used to do this thing. I don't know about you guys. Now the next is slip on. So what is the meaning of slip on? Easy to wear and take off, right? So this is also a particular phrasal verb which you can use in just footwears, right? So the footwear which are quite easy to use, which are quite easy to remove, and which are quite easy to put on, right? As like your flip-flops, you can very easily to wear those flip-flops, and you can very easily to remove take off those flip-flops, right? So in that condition you can use slip on, like slip on your slippers, right? Or slip on your flip-flops, or slip on your shoes. So you can use these phrasal verb there, right? Okay.